Harold from Deer Park has a question about waiting for water.
He wants it now.
Oh,
he's
well,
tired
turn
of
on
waiting.
the faucet.
Well, that's the problem. Harold writes,
Yes.
Our hot water heater is in the front of the house. Master bath is in the back of the house. He says the master bath is so far in the back, it takes a long time for the hot water to get there. And we're wasting water, he says. Is there any way to get hotter faster?
Right now, we need to waste water. We have so much water in Houston, we're drowning. But yes,
I don't think that's entirely true.
No, it's not a good thing. You have to get a point of use circulation pump. In other words, a circulation pump will pump the water through the pipes and keeping the water hot. So when you turn it on, the water will already be hot. It's not a matter of a bigger water heater. It's not a matter of putting another one in. It's a matter of a circulation pump, whether it goes at the point of use, which is at your bathroom, or you put it on your water heater and let it do its business, whatever is easiest for the plumber to do. But that's what you're looking at. Very simple to solve. And with today's homes, they're getting so big.
Yeah.
I mean, 4,000 square feet, 5,000 square feet, that this is inevitable. You have to have a circulation pump if you want water hot almost instantly.
I just don't understand when they're planning out the plumbing for these systems, why you put the hot water heater over there and the point of use all the way over there.
Well, he's got his water heater in the garage. People say, well, I don't want it in the attic.
Oh, yeah.
Remember that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Well, it makes sense.
That was the reason they're in the attic, to have it centrally located. So,
right.
And then with the homes getting so big that it's pretty hard to have them close to everything.
These recirculation pumps, they don't run all the time, though, do they?
Nope. It has a thermostat on there, and it knows when the water is hot in the pipe, and it'll shut it down once the water gets hot. But it does run quite a bit.
Don't they have a timer where you can set it to only run certain times a day?
You can do that, but then people find out that life isn't so regimented.
No, it's not.
Okay. Sometimes you do want to take a shower at 2 in the afternoon and not, just 7 in the morning.
You know what? I think I'll get a shower right now.
That's it.
But first, ask you to send us your questions. We'll help you out just like that. Send them to HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom form. We'll answer it just like this, or maybe even more to the point.
Ding!
Like these videos over here.